check that and solve it accordingly then. So you have got A now. But is our answer complete? No. What we want height of the cloud is A plus H. This A plus H, right? So A plus H, 2H upon cot theta minus 1 plus H. Now it's just a solution. Solving it. 2H into 2H plus H cot theta minus H, right? Cross multiply this upon cot theta minus 1 equals to H into 1 plus cot theta upon cot theta minus 1. Therefore, see here, it all depends on what are the options given to you in the exam. Depending on that, you will have to solve it further. So H into cot theta plus 1 cot theta minus 1, convert this to tan. So H into 1 upon tan theta plus 1 upon 1 upon tan theta minus 1. Solve this, tan theta gone, 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Therefore, answer is H into 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. That's what. See here, if it is given in terms of cot theta, then keep it in terms of cot theta. If it's in terms of tan theta, keep it in terms of tan. If it's in the terms of sin cos, check what are the options given to you in the exam. Depending on that, you will have to solve it further. Okay, so this is the final answer. H into 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. That is the height of the cloud above the lake level, means ground level. We don't have to find the height above this H level. We have to find it from the water level. Okay. Next, a person observed the angle of elevation of a top of a tower as 30 degrees. Okay. He walked 10 meters towards the foot of the tower along the ground level and found the angle of elevation of the top of the tower as 60 degrees. Okay. Find the height of the tower. Okay. See here, what is given? He is standing here looking at the top of the tower, that is 30 degrees. Now he walks 10 meters, then looks at the top, it is 60 degrees. Now we have to find what? H. Okay. So this is 60, this is H, this is we don't know, we will take it A. Okay. So tan 30 equals to what? H upon 10 plus A, right? Opposite upon adjacent. Tan 60 equals to what? H upon A. Now we know what tan 30 and 60. Therefore, consider. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.